Sarah and I'm the Plan Review Administrator at Legacy Engineering. As a Northeast Florida private provider, our engineers and Plan Review Department are fully licensed to perform plan review as well as permit submission. At Legacy Engineering, we will communicate with you throughout and ensure that you are ready to move forward with the construction process. Plan review is a portion of the permitting process where your plans are reviewed by an engineer and comments are provided to ensure that your permit submission runs smoothly. Rather than navigating the building department on your own, we'll serve as the middleman between you and the jurisdiction. If you're wondering if using a private provider for plan review is a good fit for you, it is important to consider how utilizing our services will impact your construction process. While building departments do provide corrections to your plans, the details are minimal. At Legacy Engineering, our engineers will provide detailed comments and corrections. Additionally, as your plan review administrator, I'll walk you through those corrections to ensure the revisions meet Florida building codes. Whether you choose to lean on our plan review services alone or permit submittal services as well, you will have complete freedom to utilize a combination of the two depending on which services work best for you and your project. Providing complete details regarding pricing can be complex as there are variables to consider. Each jurisdiction has their own plan review process and each are based on square footage. Here's our plan decision worksheet that compares using a private provider versus submitting permits yourself. You can see the complete breakdown of the estimated time, steps, all of that you will follow. While there's not a significant difference in the number of days it will take, submitting permits yourself can raise potential risks in permit holds and additional revisions. As you can see here, there are two disclaimers about the process. While these timelines can be helpful, the exact time does vary based on the scope of work, and the exact amount of time is based on best case scenarios with your own permitting knowledge. Below the timeline, there's a pricing section. As mentioned before, complete pricing details and exact pricing details will vary on jurisdiction and square footage, but the minimum fee for handling your permit is available. For residential projects, there's a minimum fee of $800 for the review and an additional $750 for the permit submittal. For commercial projects, the minimum fee for review is $1,000 and an additional fee for $1,000 for permit submittal. I know that there was an abundance of information, but I hope that we can help guide you to make the right choice for your project. If you're ready to move forward with the private provider route, please click the Get Started icon on this webpage and fill out our work submittal form. I will reach out to you within 2 business days to discuss pricing and answer your questions. If you'd like to find out more about our plan review services, feel free to explore this webpage. Within the page, you can find a downloadable copy of the decision worksheet, links to jurisdictional permitting documents, helpful blog resources, and commonly asked questions. You may decide to use whichever service best suits your project, but it is important to consider that using both a plan review and permit submission service will streamline the entire process. We can agree that the building process can be difficult to navigate on your own, which is why I will be with you every step of the way. We at Legacy are proud to offer plan reviews, and we strive to perfect our services every day to help you build better.